Start putting together this bottom part here, and eventually we're going to get this kind of nice round corner as well. Okay, let's go ahead and keep doing here. All right, so we have all the parts set up there, and I have dark green. We have this nice Z stack there. Inside of this Z stack, which we created, has this dark green here. Inside of it, I'm going to create another yet Z stack. And I'm going to make this alignment also to be leading. In this case, just leading, not bottom leading at all. And I'm going to put a V stack inside of it. Okay, so I'm going to add a text. And this text is going to say, customize your drink. Like that. Give a foreground color. Say color. Cream, white. And then font, headline, and I'm gonna give a padding, bottom padding of about 12. Okay, let's see. Save and run. Okay, it is over there, no problem. We will move that down here. So to do that, remember we're inside of a V stack here. I'm going to come outside here. I'm going to say dot offset, and I'm going to use the UI screen like this. Main again, that bounds, and I'm going to find the width, and let's divide this by 2. So like divide by 2 there, and just to make sure everything is good, I'm going to put that inside of parentheses because I'm going to actually subtract about 60. Like this. And then for the Y, I'm going to do the same thing. Copy that. I'm going to paste it all in here, except this is going to be height, like this. And let's subtract this about 100. So what are we doing here? We're moving this entire V stack to somewhere around here. Okay, if you save this and give it a run, it's going to see. Right, it's right at the bottom here, no problem. As we add more items inside here, this is going to go up there. Okay, so at least we see that things are actually moving in the right direction. Maybe it doesn't look like it right now, but it will, I promise. Okay, so we have that done. Next, I'm going to create another V stack inside of this V stack here because I'm going to add all of these texts here. You can't quite see because I blurred everything out, but no problem. So we have this. I'm going to add all of this stuff. Okay, so I'm going to say V stack within a V stack. And I want actually this alignment to also be leading, and I want to give some spacing here of about 20, so we have relaxed spacing there. So I'm going to do the same thing, text. I'm going to add something that says toppings. Actually, it should say add toppings, like that. And foreground is going to be color, say light green, and font is going to be, I want to make sure it's the headline, and I want to make sure that this is indeed bold. Okay, and within that I'm going to add another V stack here, and within that I'm going to add an H stack. So essentially I'm creating this structure here. Right, we're going to have those two check marks there and the text. Okay, let's keep going here. So for our first, I'm going to add a text that's going to say something like white mocha, and then foreground color is going to be color, light green. Font, gonna be headline. Bold. Padding, I'm gonna say trailing. About 120. Very good. I'm going to add an image right away for the first stack. So I'm going to add this image there.